Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing this beautiful pink and purpley spring makeup look. I love how this turned out. This is the second time I wore this look. It is using an oldie but a goodie from ColourPop. It's the Bitty palette. And I know it's not available anymore, but I'm sure you can find these shades in your collection. And I actually wore this look because I love bright, colorful looks and I'm not afraid to wear them out to a school function. And I just love how it looked, love how it came out, and I knew I had to share it with you guys. So let's get started. To start, I'm using the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer to prime my eyes, and I'm using this Be Pure Infused powder under the eyes to catch my fallout. And of course I'm using the ColourPop BITTI eyeshadow palette. The first shade I'm going to be picking up is this beautiful peach shade, and I'm taking this on a smaller fluffy crease brush, a more tapered one, and I'm going to windshield wiper or really work that, blending it, placing it into the inner portion of the crease, or the first half of the crease, using my orbital bone as a guide. So I'm going to stop there, and the next shade is, I'm taking this really pretty purple that's in the palette. It will apply kind of like a dusty purple, and here I wanted to share with you brush placement, like holding. So for more control, I'm holding in the middle of the brush, and for less loose control of placement in the crease, I'm using or holding the brush towards the end of the handle. So loose control for blending and feathering in shades, so hold your brush at the end, and if for more control for really pressing in the product, hold the brush in the middle. And I'm pressing that in the outer corner and up into the other portion, or the other half of the crease. And on the lid, this applies like a beautiful dusty purple shade, and because these colors are kind of similar in color family, they will blend very easily and nicely together, which is what I'm doing now. I'm literally just going over between the two brushes, between the shades, and blending. So next up I have this pastel palette from Profusion, and I'm just going to take that pale pink and I'm going to take that along the line of the crease line and using that as a transition shade. It's going to blend the crease colors in with the brow bone and just give it this really beautiful, nice fade. I always love how this looks and comes out when I do this and looks. Next up, I'm taking this beautiful pearly golden pink peachy kind of shade. It's absolutely stunning. I used the hard candy primer spray. Now notice the hand on the brush there. It's in the center for more control. On a flat shader brush, I am foiling that eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply that to the lid. Now once I have that applied to the lid with the brush, I will take and go in with my finger and pat the dry shadow over top. I don't know, I just like how it looks. So always do that. I'm going to blend some more, add some more shade in there, and just keep blending. And while I'm doing this voiceover, you can hear Connor in the back. He's kind of it's early in the morning, he's got a little bit of sniffles, and he's going to the eye doctor today. So, so NYX Single Eyeshadow in Pure Skin. I'm using this on a large shader brush, and I'm going to apply this under the brow for the highlight, and I'm going to blend it down into the crease shades. So once again, all those colors are going to mesh very seamlessly together and just form this really beautiful faded eyeshadows down from the brow into the crease. I'm lost for words. This is really beautiful. So I did my lower lash line, and I'm taking the Sinful Colors Single Eyeshadow in Proud and using that in my inner corner. It's basically just a shimmery champagne shade, and I'm just using it in the inner corner. Very, very pretty. I used that purple on the lower lash line. So AOA Studio Lash Adhesive, and these lashes from Shein. Very beautiful, spiky lashes. Now I did wear a different set of lashes to the school function. They were actually a lot more natural looking because the look was already really bright and bold. But I wanted to wear these lashes today. That's AOA Studios Gel Eyeliner in Seize the Day, and Santee's Gel Eyeliner in just like a purple shade. Very pretty pastel purple. So the She Does mascara, it's a peach mascara from Temu, to match my real lashes with my false lashes, and LaColors Nude Glam lipstick in Oh Teddy. when in doubt, I'm always going to use this lipstick. So that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the look, found the video helpful, and will try the look out for yourselves. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list. I thank you so very much for watching.